What is going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a video about this little beauty right here. This is the PSP GO. And a lot of people who, are in the portable community, they kind of bypass the PSP GO. But in my opinion, it's one of the best little emulators slash gaming consoles out there. So I just wanted to do a video thanks to another YouTuber named I'm sorry if I mess your name up. It's either Lalo Ordonez. I was watching the video and it's called How to Add Memory to Your PSP GO. I'll add that in the description too. But I wanted to make this video because, well, everything that he did worked perfectly fine. Like, I was so surprised, and I don't know why everybody else isn't on this too. So anyway, let me stop babbling and let me get to it. So currently, I also had to thank Mr. Mario on YouTube as well, because if it wasn't for him, then I wouldn't have this baby completely decked out with the 6.61 infinite firmware. So as you can see, I already got quite a few games on here. Let me bring it a little closer. Got a few games on here already, but I was running out of room. And you can't find M2 memory sticks anywhere. So I wanted to make a video about this. So right now I have an adapter that I also got off of Mr. Ordonez's channel. He left a link in his description. I'll do the same. But yeah, I just followed the instructions that I got from the guy that we got this from, and everything works perfectly fine. So I just wanted to, I'm kind of co-signing right now. Like, this shit's legit, and I don't know why people, hate on the PSP GO so much. But if you check out my memory right now, it's at 271 megabytes right now. So I'm going to put this adapter in. If I can hit it. It's reading. And if I press up, I'll wait for a second for it to come up. Boom. 119 gigabytes. So yeah, this shit is legit. Like, please, if you got a PSP GO, go follow Mr. Mario's tutorial. Also, check out Mr. Ordonez's channel so you can see how he also did this. I'm getting ready to tuck it up. I don't think anybody really wants to see that, but maybe I'll make a couple other videos about some games that people can add on here, make it a little more worthwhile. This is the Black Share. I'll check you guys later.